Okay, time for another craft. This time it's using the cream and sugar set from Bullseye's Playground for $3. So we're going to get started on the computer. Open up your Cricut design space and select a new project. Go to text. And when you go up here to the font, you want to click on system, and that'll be all the free fonts that you have. And then I have the skinny that is from defont.com, so I'm going to click on that. And then here I'm just going to do all caps and do a cream. And then I'm going to select a new text box and do sugar. And then you want to measure the space that you're working with. So it's about 2.5 inches. So I'm thinking maybe an inch or 1.25 inches will be good for our text. So then you just have to select this button here, and then you can make it as big or as small as you want. But I'm thinking we're going to go just a little over an inch. And same with this one. Once you have it the size you want, you just want to select all and go over here to weld, so all the letters will stay together. And same with the cream. Weld that. And time to turn on your machine. This is the Cricut Explore Air 2. I know I've showed it to you before, but I do love this one. Then up in the top right corner, you want to hit the green button that says Make It. And hit Continue. Then you need to adjust the dial to make sure that it's on vinyl. And you get your vinyl and put it on your Cricut mat. We really like the Casa vinyl. Then you're going to hit Load Mat, which is this blinking arrow. Your mat is loaded, you'll press this blinking Cricut logo, and it'll start cutting. Pulling back the excess vinyl here. You're going to want to cut off a small piece of your transfer paper. I'm using the Casa transfer paper. It comes on this roll. So then you're going to take the backing off the transfer paper and just put it right on top. And push it down really good. Then you're going to peel back the backing to the vinyl. And this is why I love this transfer paper. It makes it so easy. And you just put your transfer paper on your jar wherever you want your letters, and then just push down real good. Just peel back your transfer paper. And if it doesn't stick, then just push it down a little bit more. Repeat the same steps for the sugar jar and you are finished. Let us know if you try it, okay?